So this is our high definition NC profile cutter. And after we have this finished program done in our AutoCAD Inventor system, we'll download the program to cut the tank here. And so this machine is now cutting out all the profiles accurately so we can reproduce the tank accurately each time. So at the moment it's making some marking lines for where the part will need to be folded or where a bracket needs to be welded on. And then it'll cut the profile. So it'll mark first and then cut the profile. So it'll go around, it'll put all the holes in the part first. And once it's cut all the holes that part requires, then it'll cut the profile. Okay, so Ant-Man, here we've got a 100 series live axle rear replacement tank that Ben's working on, and he's just up to the welding out stage of that tank, so we'll just pan to him and see what he's doing. Okay, so Ant-Man, you can see here some of the welds that Ben's put down already, and if you have a look around here, you've got this section here that's tacked together that he's about to weld out. So to build a quality tank with quality welding, you've got to have good fit up, and you can see that he's got good corner to corner fit up, nice small tacks, so he'll be able to run over that, and then you'll be able to see like the quality of the welding there. All right, so we've got to pressure test every tank that we make, obviously. So what's happening here is the tank's being pressurised to about 6 psi, and then they'll go over that tank with a soapy water solution. Okay, so here we've got the current model Hilux 140 litre replacement tank, and yeah, Steve's applying the edge primer to those. Yeah, we've got some Ranger tanks there on the side there that you're just going through. And in this area here we put together all the small parts kits that need to go together with the tank to make a complete unit to go out the door to our customers around Australia or all over the world. So Ant-Man, here in the background here we've got one of our orders, our export orders that we're getting ready. We've got a container of stuff going to China. So export's become a big part for us at LRA. So we're exporting our quality made tanks to China, USA, Europe, the Middle East, all over the world. So yeah, it's been great for us.